Welcome to today's Business Report. I'm Denise Williams, here to bring you the stories shaping the financial world and guiding your journey to smarter business decisions. Let's dive into the top headlines. Richard Byles, governor of the Bank of Jamaica, recently warned commercial banks of competitive pressure they will face by their reluctance to bring down interest rates at the most recent BOJ quarterly monetary policy press conference on Tuesday, May 21, 2025. Earlier this month, the Bank of Jamaica made the decision to reduce the policy rate by 25 basis points from 6% to 5.75% per annum. Yet, the commercial banks state that until the asset tax is removed, they cannot bring down rates as quickly as the public would like. In Jamaica, there are 11 deposit-taking institutions, and according to the BOJ, 60% of all deposits are with two banks. That said, Governor Byles noted, when you look at the total financial market, the commercial banks have approximately half, and non-banks have the other half. Non-banks have been very responsive to rates going up and rates coming down. What the banking community needs to look out for is if the non-banking community starts to lend to their customers. It is a risk they run if they remain stubborn and insensitive to rates coming down. Companies listed on the Jamaica Stock Exchange have reported executives buying and selling shares, as well as passive income for investors. Jamaican Teas Limited has advised that on May 22, 2025, two directors each exercised options to purchase 2,400,000 Jamaica Teas shares pursuant to long-term share options granted to them. The company has further advised that on May 28, 2025, a director sold 1,892,903 Jamaica Teas shares. Next, JetCon Corporation Limited has advised that a connected party purchased a total of 200,000 JetCon shares during the period May 16 to 27, 2025. Supreme Ventures Limited has advised that on May 27, 2025, a director purchased 319,424 Supreme Ventures shares and a related party sold 319,424 Supreme Ventures shares. And now we turn to passive income for investors. Kingston Wharves Limited has advised that the Board of Directors at a meeting scheduled for June 4, 2025 will consider a dividend payment to shareholders. Scotia Group Jamaica Limited has advised that the Board of Directors at a meeting scheduled for June 5, 2025 will consider a dividend payment to shareholders. For the trading period ending May 29, 2025, these were the most actively traded stocks. Online education provider One-on-One Educational Services Limited with 5,385,401 units traded, representing 17.89% of market sales volume. Investment firm Sterling Investments Limited with 3,412,838 units traded, representing 11.34% of market sales volume. Toll Road Manager Trans Jamaica Highway Limited with 3,214,420 units traded, representing 10.68% of market sales volume. We now shift our focus to the Forex market rate set by the Bank of Jamaica. On May 29, 2025, the Bank of Jamaica reported US $60.68 million purchased and US $66.63 million sold by Forex traders. Forex traders earned $1.49 per dollar, selling the US at $160.24 and buying the US at $158.75. The Canadian dollar netted Forex traders $1.45 per transaction, with selling at $116 $114.15 and buying at $114.77. The British pound yielded forex traders $8.41 in profit, with selling at $217.17 and buying at $208.76. For our credit report tip of the day, think of your credit score as capital, not just a number, but a financial asset that can help you buy income-producing real estate without draining your savings. Whether you're looking at rental properties, house hacking, or short-term vacation homes, lenders make funding decisions based largely on how your credit ranks. A solid credit score doesn't just get you approved, it gets you better terms, lower interest rates, and access to creative financial options that can boost your return on investment from day one. If you're not using your credit score to generate monthly income and long-term equity, you are leaving money on the table. And that wraps up today's business report. I'm Denise Williams, reminding you that every financial decision is a step toward your future. Until next time, stay focused, stay informed, and keep striving for success. See you soon.